Welcome to my channel. Synology WRX560 setup. Inside the box, you'll find the WRX560 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual. Placement: position the router in a central location for better Wi-Fi coverage. Power on: plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Connect to modem: use an Ethernet cable to connect your modem's LAN port to the WAN port of the WRX560. Initial configuration. There are two ways to set up the router. Connect your computer to the WRX560 via Wi-Fi, SSID, Synology WRX560, or Ethernet cable. Download the DS Router app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play, Android. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect and configure the router. Create an admin account, set up a username and password. Select connection type, choose between DHCP, static IP, or PPPoE, refer to your ISP settings. Set up Wi-Fi network, choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, and a strong password. Update firmware, check for software updates to ensure security and performance improvements. Mesh network setup, optional if using multiple Synology routers, configure them in mesh mode for seamless coverage. Thanks for watching.